ओके, सो एंटायर सिस्टम्स में ना आपको टोटल 6 प्रॉपर्टी, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द 6 डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी. First one is that linearity you already completed. Second is time variant, invariant, and causal, non-causal. Your fourth property is stable and static and dynamic system. Static and dynamic system. Rest all the properties are very easy. So I think it might will take around half an hour to complete the entire or 3 different properties. So fourth one is static and dynamic system. In this static and dynamic, first you have to write the definition for this. Okay. A system is said to be static if the output a system is said to be static if the output at any instant, or you can say at any time. A system is said to be static if the output at any time instant depends on the input at that instant only. You have to underline this particular only word, right? Otherwise system is said to be dynamic. You know about causal and non-causal system, right? In causal and non-causal, you have every time you have to check that a output should be depend on to the present value or the past value, right? But in this stability case, you just have to check that all the output will going to be depend on the present input only, no past, no future. Yeah. Okay, note down this one. A system is said to be static if the output at any time instant depend on the input at that instant only, otherwise system is said to be dynamic. Next point is static systems are memory-less systems. Systems are memory-less, right? Memory-less means what? Yeah. It means it is unable to store the past value of the data. So if I'm asking about that your DVD, is that system is a static system or dynamic system? That DVD or your pen drive is a static system or dynamic system? Why dynamic? And if I wanted to see that particular video after some time, you can able to see that. Yeah. So static systems are memory-less system, whereas dynamic systems are yeah, called as memory system. Okay, any doubt on this? Okay, static एंड कॉजल के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या होगा? Static values are always depend on to the present value, and the causal systems are always depend on present as well as past. So in this, output must be depend on present value. Okay. And in causal, output depends on past and present value both. Note down this. Okay. So we can also say like all static systems are causal. Systems are causal, but not all causal systems are static. Note this one. So all static systems are causal, but not all causal systems are static. Any doubt on this? For example, मैंने क्वेश्चन लिया y of t is equals to twice of x of t. Tell me, is this a static system or dynamic system?
Twice of x. Static.
Okay. Y of t is equals to x of t minus 1. Is that static or dynamic?
Dynamic.
Okay. Y of t is equals to differentiation of x of t on this.
So आपके background से बहुत disturbance हो रहा है.
मेरे बैकग्राउंड में कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा.
इधर से नहीं बहुत मेरी आवाज आ रही है.
अभी भी आ रही है.
हाँ थोड़ी थोड़ी से खाली हो रहा है.
अब मैं किसको बंद करूँ? यहाँ कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा है इधर. एक बार रिज्वाइन करके देख लो आप. So yt is equals to twice of x of t. Yt is equals to x of t minus 1. yt is equals to differentiation of x of t, and we can say yt is equals to integration of x of tau. So this one is static dynamic